Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Snapchat account permanently. So let's jump into the video. So what you need to do first is go to on Snapchat. After going to on Snapchat, you have to go to your profile. Please make sure you like this video and watch the full video to delete or remove your Snapchat account. So what I need you to do to remember your username, okay? This is so important. This will work later. So what I need to do is click on the right option, settings option. After going to settings, what I need to do is scroll down and find I need help. So you have to find it. I need help. Here is support option. I need help. You have to click on I need help. After clicking on it, here you can search help. You have to click on this and type delete my account. Delete my account. Okay. After typing this, you can find an option how do I delete or deactivate my Snapchat account. So what you need to do is click on the top option, first option right here. So if you are using an Android, you have to click on the first option right here, Snapchat accounts portal. Or if you are using an Apple device, you have to click on the second option, Snapchat account portal like here. I am using an Android right now, so I am going to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to log into your Snapchat. I have already logged into my Snapchat account. You need to put your username and your password, then you can find this page. Okay, after doing that, you have to click on delete my account like that. Then you can see here is the final option. This is the final stage of deletion of your account. So after that, you can type your password here. If you have type your password here and click on continue, your account will be deleted permanently. So I hope you like this video. You find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe this channel. Peace.